Okay, beta. Next topic is marketing management. Before the knowing of marketing management, beta, first we have to know about what is the marketing and then what is the management. We will know about the management. Now we are going to know about the what is the marketing. In marketing, one is market and second is ing the duty. Market and in. And I think you will know about the what is the market. Market is the place from where seller and buyer both are present and they are doing the selling and buying process. The place where the seller and buyer both are present and they are going to do the selling and buying of the goods and services, that place is called market. And what is the marketing? All the process from starting to making of demand up to after sell service, all the process when we are going to utilize, that is called what? Marketing. It means when we are going to start the creating demand, from the starting of creating demand, after the creating demand, just put the availability of raw material, then production, after production they are going to distribute the material, after distribution of material, selling, purchasing, all the function, and after sell service, that all we are going to include, that is called marketing. Okay beta, market is only place, all the function that is done in the market, from starting to making of demand up to after sell service. I think you will know what the after sell service. You are going to purchase one bike or any other electronic things, they are giving the 1 year service free, that is called after sell service. Okay beta, so this whole thing is called marketing. Okay, clear? Next is
Features of marketing.
first
Need and want.
need and want. That marketing is working for your need and want. What you needed, by that, or what you want, by that they are going to create the demand of this product. Okay beta, they are working on your needs and want. The public, the consumer, they are just producing the needs and want, and marketing is just go to the take this need and want in a term of demand. Next,
Creating a market
offering. After need and demand, they are going to create the offering. Means they are giving the different of offer, giving the presentation of present the different things that want by the consumer in the market. Next,
customer value.
and in marketing, customer is the very important place. Customer have very important place in a marketing meta, because this full marketing is just rolling of the what is saying, the round and round of the customer. What type of demand of the customer, what is thinking by the customer, what they want, what his demand, which system they want, these all by thinking in a marketing. Next, exchange mechanism. It's like that beta, when the customer is utilizing some goods or services, and after that they are going for the other goods and services, so how we are going to exchange these goods and services with your own goods and services. Okay beta, if they want to changing the system, they want to change the appliance or his need and demand, so how you are going to create or change your production or your supply to relate with the need and demand. Next
topic, marketing management philosophies.
Now we are going for the marketing management. Okay, next topic is marketing management. Here we are only talking about the marketing. Now both word is coming. One is marketing and second is management. You will know about the marketing and management also. When we are going to include both this, when in the market are starting to the production to up to after sales service, we are going to utilize the management system, management link, management principle, management system, that is called marketing management. Or all the process which is done in all the system which is done in the market, when we are going to manage in best possible way by the management, that is called marketing management. Okay beta, the process, the system, the operation, The work which is done in the marketing, when we are going to manage this, all the system, all the things in by the utilizing of management, that is called marketing management. Okay, clear? Next.
Production concept.
Here we are going for the concept beta. When you have the production concept, only you are thinking about the production. You didn't go to think about the cost. You didn't go to think about the selling. You didn't go to think about the purchasing. Only you are thinking about the production. How to maximize the production, maximum production. How to manage this maximum production. Only you are going to think about that. Okay, beta. Next.
Product concept.
Product concept. Here we are not thinking about the production. We are not going to think about the cost, units, product. How to manage the best possible product, best product. Okay, beta, that is the product concept. In this concept, only thinking about the product. Before that and that concept, we are only thinking about the production. And here we are going to think only about the production. Sorry, product. Next.
Selling concept.
And in this concept, only think about the, only pressurize about the selling. In any way, by the utilizing of any system, only the concept is what? Sell. Don't think about the cost, value, production, anything else. Only think how to sell maximum units, how to go into just sell the things by the utilizing of any system. Next.
Marketing concept.
Marketing concept. In this marketing concept, beta, we are going to give the value of the customer. What type of things is required by the customer, and on the things or on the thinking of that customer, we are going to utilize our production, selling, marketing, and all the things. Okay, beta. It's a depend on the customer need and demand. What they want. Here we are going to give the value of the customer, public, person. Or you say your demand creation for things. We are going to think about that. What they demand, what they want. On the basis of that, you are going to make your system. Next.
Societal concept.
Societal. You are all the industries always stand in the between the society. They are utilizing the raw material that is used by the society also. So they have to thinking about the society, about his generating of the demand, generating of the employment, generating of the good and systematic product, giving the less price, don't charge different type of fault expenses. That is what? That is the society concept. By the work of company, by the work of marketing, they try to improve of lifestyle, try to improve on the society. That is the societal concept. Next.
Functions of marketing.
Next is the concepts of function of marketing. So first is
Gathering and analyzing market information.
okay, beta. What I am saying beta, it's a start from the demand creation. It's a start from the demand creation. So first we are going to analyze what type of products is needed by the person. Person means consumer. What thing they want, what type of demand they are creating, what is fashion, what they think. These things will done in a where? In a marketing. Next.
Market planning.
After that, they are going to make the planning for the production. They are going to make the planning for the distribution. They are going to make the planning for the selling. They are going to make the planning for the purchasing. This all they are going to create. Then they are what? They are making the plan for the full function. How we are going to fulfill his demand or need. For that they are going to make the plan. Next.
Product designing and development.
After the plan, they are going to production. And in this production, they are going to make the design as like that. You are going to sell your product in rural area. So they are trying to maintain the design and other thing in the lower cost, because you are going to rural area. And you are going to the urban area, they are going to just make the upper cost, higher cost product. Good design, extraordinary design. You are going to sell the chocolate of the 100-200 rupees in a urban area. rural area, sorry, so you are not able to sell that chocolate to them because that cost is 200, 300 rupees. 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 20 rupees at least. But for the urban area, cities area, you will easily sell the 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 300 rupees, all. And that system is coming from where? That is coming from the marketing system. Next.
Standardization and grading.
Then after the going to production of the things, they are going to make the standardization and simplification. Means they are going to make the standard our products to up to this standard or up to this unit, and for the standardization only, not for the product, for the time creation unit, for that things you are seeing in the principles. A standard for the time, a standard for the product, a standard for the units, a standard for the quality. For that we are going to make the standards. Next.
Packaging and labeling.
After the making of the products, what we are doing? Packaging. Many type of packaging is there. First package, second level, third level. First level after the single product, second level of the 10 or 20 products, third level for the distribution of the goods and services, for the goods, not for services. We are going to packet beta, like a katta is there. Next.
Branding.
And then we are going for the branding. These all will come as a topic beta, okay? These all will come in your chapter as a topic. Branding means from which company you have, you are giving your branding, because it's very necessary, because you are going to take the registration, and after the registration you are going to start these all the things. So you have some brand. Brand name is very important for the marketing, because I think you will know every person try to maintain the brand goods as a customer, as a consumer. Next.
Customer support services.
That after sales service and information about the product, that is what? That is the customer related service or customer supported service. When you are going to purchase anything, they are going to give the training how to use these things. You are going to purchase the AC, so this button is there, and you are just putting this. They are giving the training, and after the training, after the selling, they are going to give some services. How to operate, if any problem is there, then go to maintain the things. Okay, beta? Next.
Pricing and of products.
Then they are on the time of selling. On the time of selling, that pricing is making by the owners, or saying by the just utilizing of different terminology. Because pricing, decision of the pricing is not only depend on the based on the marketing. They are depend on the cost. They are depend on the exact situation. They are depend on the market situation. These all will included when we are going to take the decision about the pricing. Next.
Promotion and selling.
After that, promotion and selling. Promotion means directly advertisement. Okay, beta? Promotion means advertisement, and then they are going to sell. Next.
Physical distribution.
Physical distribution is distribution of the product. Company is making his product in the one city, and then they are going to distribute that product on all over India. That is the distribution. Next.
Transportation.
In that distribution we are utilizing what? Transportation. Next.
Storage and warehousing.
In this transportation, after the transportation, we are going to give the all product to the city-wise storage. They are taking the stores. They are just make the store of these all product, and then they are going to start the retail distribution. It means minimum number of unit distribution in a cities. Next.
The marketing mix method.
Revise it and then next. Because marketing mix is coming